Hi, I'm Brad Tupper. This is my 2014 Mazda MX-5 Club Sport. It's built for track and comfort. It's kind of a dual-purpose vehicle. Starting with the front of the car here, I have a carbon Miata 89 hood, vented. Got integral Kobe front canards with a Garage Very glide front lip. Below that is a Marsh Composites 5-inch front splitter. Full carbon. It goes the full length of the engine bay to the firewall, fully supportive of weight. The tire setup, I've got 17 by 9.5 Volk Racing TE37 SLs, 255, 45 Falcon R615 tires on them. Moving down the other side of the car here, I've got Jetstream side skirt extensions, some homemade GT mirrors that I used from a company called Lifeline out of the UK. Moving to the back, we've got a Voltex Racing wing, 1600 millimeter. And then we have the top, which you guys might have noticed, is a Garage Very Fastback. It's a very unique top for these vehicles, gives it a completely different look, in my opinion. And it's kind of the key feature to my car, I think.
Did you purchase that directly from Japan, from Garage Very?
So what's cool about this top, and I'm kind of a sentimental guy a little bit, is this top actually came from the car that inspired me to buy an NC Miata.
Oh, wow.
So it came from a Japanese tuner called Joyfast. So this top was actually on their demo car, Tiger, and I came across it on Yahoo Japan Auctions.
Wow. And
it was damaged, but it holds a little bit of sentimental value to me that it came off the car that inspired me to get an NC to begin with. So it's my little holy grail of parts for myself, if you will. At the rear of the vehicle, we have a Guardian Designs big diffuser. The strike's a little bit bigger on these than the actual Jetstream version, which is what I preferred on it with the aggressive styling of the big wing and the front splitter. I just thought it went with the vehicle a little bit better. And then we have a custom center exit exhaust from a fabrication company that I work close with called Ugly Duck Fabrications, based out of Pottstown, Pennsylvania. And that is a vibrant street power muffler that is attached to a Goodwin dual resonated mid-pipe. And then if we want to move on to the interior, Sparco Lap 5 steering wheel with rev limiter horn button, a Sparco Fighter seat with some Sparco harnesses, a custom roll bar, CAE shifter assembly. Reliability was key for me with it being a track-oriented vehicle. Header and intake really is all it is. And then I cleaned it up for just ease of maintenance, a little bit more airflow. So under the hood here we have, it's called the Super Cool Kit by a company called Track Dog Racing. And what that does is that relocates a lot of the stuff that is over top the radiator system to open up more airflow from the radiator. And then I also did their intake system. And then moving to the side here with the exhaust, that is a Goodwin Racing 1.6 max power header, ceramic coated. And then we have a Mazda Speed strut tower bar. You can find me on Instagram at Bat in the Attic.
ハイパースピードメディア